Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, DCN module, thermal module, and motherboard. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the retention tape and routing channel on the top cover. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, remove the four 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left and right display panel hinges to the top cover. Slide the top cover off the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.